Be able to teleport anywhere, but you always arrive 10 minutes late. That is the best trade-off I've ever heard in my life. That is the best trade-off I have ever heard. Give me the teleport.
Have the ability to see the future, but you'll lose a day of your life for every glimpse you take.
That's not worth it, because I'd be spamming that. That's not worth it, because I'd be spamming that, dude. Use it sparingly? Now, even then, I'd be like, nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. No, I can't do it.